So in this video I'm going to show you how to change the ribbon by using the same spool. This is a metal spool that I'm going to put back to the typewriter. First I need to remove the old spool. So I just get rid of it. As you see, it's being folded inside just to tighten it. Just need to pull it out. So like that. There's a little arrow on which you have to stick into the new spool. Sorry, the new ribbon. Okay. So here is the new one. It's a plastic one. I'm going to use only the ribbon. I try to take this out. You can use a scissor to cut down the end of it. Like that. And you need to punch a hole inside, somewhere in the middle. That should be fine. Yeah, and next thing is to put this in to its place. Let's see how it goes. Okay. It's on its place. And the other one is here. So, you see the little arrow? I'm going to put it in. I'm going to use this dentist tool, or this might help me to find the hole. Come on. Oh, there you go. And I just pick the other part inside. Okay, so turn a bit. And I put it here, back to its place. Yeah. Tighten it. Check the other part or the other side. And all you need to do is turn. I've seen some people doing it with a drill, but you know, it's not that long. It can be done pretty quickly. So for this purpose you don't need to use any magic tool. You just have to be patient. I'm just using my finger. Okay, it seems to be finished. Yeah, the same thing is here. Also, you can see this small metal arrow. I just need to take this out. I could use this part as well, but the ribbon is not too nice at the end, so I might going to reverse the direction and cut down the end again. Okay, so I put a hole in it. Just about the middle. And get the other metal spool. I need to take off the rest. Et voila. You just have to pull it out. Or if you have a cat at home, you may play with the cat. It's almost gone. Yeah, finished. Oh, this was a Pelican brand as well. Okay, just take it out. I'm going to put it in. Let's see. I need to put it in this way. Let's see if it works. Now I need to turn it over. Oh, come on. Yeah. Okay, it seems to be on its place. Okay, so the next thing is you're gonna put this back. Okay. And you have to put the ribbon behind here. Okay, so this is the moving part. And you put it behind. And you pull it down here. And you put it in front. You put it up. And you just drop it in here. Like that. The other side as well. So you pull it down. You put it up. And you put it in. And that's it. One more thing to do is fold these back. And you can try whether the spool is moving or not. They seem to move properly. Just need to be tightened. I'm going to test it later on, with the platen installed. I just wanted to show you how to change the ribbon on a Juwel Model 3. Thank you for watching.